Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Chaney channel. I'm Richard Chaney. Tonight I'm going to show you some candy. Tonight is candy night. First item is Werthers caramel candy, sugar free. Hard candy, lemon flavored. Hard candy, lemon flavored. Hard candy, lemon flavored, sugar free. And them are the items I had to show tonight. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, long as you share the news. Always remember to be kind and true. Always have love in your heart. Always respect others. And always treat people with respect. And always make a friend if you can. Life is too short, folks. Life is too short. And now I'm going to turn on the air. And get cool. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, spent time with my mom, my family, and friends, watched some movies, and waited on time to do the video. Now I'm doing the video. If you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. Without further ado, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather, doing pretty good. I've been trying to stay busy much as possible, looking up items for the videos, and my spare time, watch some movies, and sit and relax. Yeah. It's about all there is to do. About all there is to do. End of the month, I'll be getting in some more new items, so be ready for that. That will be at the end of the month. Without further ado, always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.